Okay, today I want to talk to you guys about coconuts. We are here at Captian Morgans Resort. What a better place to talk about coconuts than this, right? There's coconuts everywhere. Captain Morgans takes their coconuts out of the trees and early in the morning so they don't hit anybody in the head. And I just want to talk about the different types, what I learned about coconuts while I was here. First of all, we're on Ambergris Caye Belize, an island in Belize, and the coconut is not native here, believe it or not. The Spaniards came and planted these coconuts on this island so that they could have an economy made out of coconuts. While I was here, I have a couple of coconuts for you in different stages. Come on over here, Drew. The coconuts on the trees up here, as you can see, are still young. They're in this stage right here. And if you want to drink the coconut milk, this is the best stage to get your coconut. You just whack off both ends, put a hole in both ends, and you can drink it. You have coconut milk, coconut water. Then if you want if you want to use the meat of the coconut, here you go, you can see the meat or the oil that's in the coconut. You need an older coconut, one that looks like this, and you can hear it. You can hear inside is the juice. This juice has already turned to it has like an oily film on it, so it's not really good to drink. So if you want to process your coconut, you have to beat it with a machete. You have to peel all the pieces off, and then you can get to the flesh inside.